Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. In a recent clear jelly stamper haul from Nail.supplies, I purchased some Christmas stamping plates, and this is the last one for this year. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing clear jelly stamper CJS-C-16 all the trimmings. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my scraper and my stamper holder, which has my clear jelly stamper head in it. I have 4 coloured nail tips that I'll be swatching onto. For this first swatch, I'm going to show you how I did these Christmas lights. So for the wire, I'm using black. Again, like always, any excess I pick up I will remove first before stamping down. I'm then going to come in with 5 different colours: yellow, orange, green, red and blue. You can see all of the numbers on the top of which they are. So for this, I'll make sure that all of the bottles are open and that I've got easy access to them, as I've got to work really quickly. I'll then place a blob of each colour onto each of the lights. I'll then scrape just once, no more, and then I'll line it up and we have multicoloured lights. I've never done anything like this before, but I have seen it done. It works brilliantly and it looks very, very cool. For the next swatch, I'll be using a grey nail tip along with 2 stamping polishes, a red and a green. I'll start with the red for the Ho 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 first. When I did the photo swatch, I removed by accident the red dots for the berries, so I now have to be extra careful. Once I've placed that down, I'll then come in with the green for the holly leaves. I swatched each one separately as they're quite close together on the plate, but this is a really nice image. You could even add some more berries if you wanted to with the red stamping polish and a dotting tool. For the next swatch, I'll be using a light green nail tip and 2 different green stamping polishes. I'll start with the lightest green polish first for the large trees. I don't often use this green a lot. I do find it a little on the watery side. But once I've laid that down, I'll then come in with the darker green for the second part of the image. I personally think these trees will make a brilliant snowy winter tree design nail. It's something I've never done, but I really do want to try it with this image. I think it will make it so easy. For the next swatch, I'll be using a light blue nail tip along with a white and a blue stamping polish. I'll start with the white for the main part of the snowflake. This is quite a large snowflake. It will be interesting to add this to a nail just to see how it fares up in size. I'll then come in with the blue to complete the snowflake design. This is very unique design for a snowflake. You could even just use the small snowflake, just the one stick, and use that with different colours. That would be really cool, and something that I didn't actually do in the photo swatches. I didn't actually think about it until I was doing the voiceover. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-C-16 all the trimmings. Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-C-16 all the trimmings is a really nice Christmas stamping plate. I've taken 32 swatches in total, ranging from Santa Claus, trees, to Santa Claus's sleighs, stockings, baubles and snowflakes. For me, this is a classic Christmas stamping plate. I like that there is a range of sizes of images, but the large images, you could just add them over a patterned Christmas background and really bring them out with colour. That would look fantastic. I did use the help guide picture which I found on the Clear Jelly Stamper website, and this helped me with the placement of the layers. These I have found are just so extremely helpful, and I don't think I would actually use a clear jelly stamper plate without them now. I do want to try the Santa Claus again, as I feel they didn't quite look right, and the same with the boots. It was, however, the first time I have layered boots, but I do definitely want to give them another try. All 4 of the clear jelly stamper stamping plates that I've recently purchased will work well together. So for example, the snowflakes, you could easily add that with the words of "Let It Snow" from CJS-C-16. I just think they'll all work brilliantly together. I also want to see if I can add one of the Santas to the sleigh, but not use his legs, so there's no chance of any colour coming through. I'm still a bit whether that will work or not, but I definitely want to give it a try. There is just so many nails I want to do, but I just don't have the time. But they will definitely be Christmas stamping plates that I return to year after year. As always, I've been super impressed with how all of the swatches have turned out. So for the mani, I went with a white and a glittery hollow gel polishes for the base, and I was going to put the lights over the top, but I sort of felt that it might not work as well as I had hoped. So this is how I changed my mind at the last minute. So I used a dark green and a red for the holly and the berries. Personally, I really like this mani. It's very simple, but without being too Christmassy, but it's still got some sort of Christmas vibe to it. I almost added some more red dots for more berries. I didn't in the end. I do wonder if it might have made the red come through a little bit more, but I still really like this mani. It's simple, but it's gorgeous though. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-C-16 all the trimmings. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.